Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to uninstall Telegram application on your Android. If you've recently deleted your account on Telegram or you've simply deactivated it and you'd like to get rid of the application from your Android phone, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Simply go through your app drawer in order to spot Telegram application. If you press hold on the app, you'll be able to see a pop-up. Tap on Uninstall in order to uninstall the application, and in the pop-up, tap on OK to confirm your selection. Another way you can uninstall the Telegram application from your Android is to simply go to your settings and tap it on. Under settings, scroll all the way down until you find the apps option and tap it on. All of the list of the applications that are installed on your device will be displayed on this page. Search for Telegram and tap it on. At the bottom of the page, you should see an uninstall button. Tap on uninstall in order to bring up a pop-up. Tap on OK to confirm your selection and wait until it is done. And that way, you'll be able to uninstall your Telegram application in a few seconds. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.